GREE, the initiator of the two-stage inverter in the global refrigeration industry. Powered by the two-stage compressor, heating capacity and cooling capacity have both been greatly improved. Now, GREE has successfully used this technology in air conditioners and air source water heaters. Crown Series, superior performance in extreme temperatures. GREE U-Crown and I-Crown Series, capable of superior cooling and heating performance from -30 degrees centigrade up to 54 degrees centigrade, improving heating capacity and cooling capacity by at least 40% and 35% respectively. U-Crown wall-mounted air conditioner. U-shaped ultra-thin design can swing 180 degrees up and down and 130 degrees left and right. Minimum power input is 15 watts when compressor is operating at 1 Hertz. With 0.2 watt standby technology, 520,000 tons of CO2 emissions can be reduced every year. An independent air purifier is included to efficiently remove PM 2.5. Integrated design and optimized air duct have achieved ultra-low noise of 18 decibels. Ventilation volume improved by 30%. 4 kinds of sleep modes are included to satisfy various sleeping needs.